mensualidad de las personas mayores que nos rodean.
Ponte en ese lugar por un momento.
Son como un dicionario, cheo de sabiduría, aprendizaxes e amor.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeal like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes, on weekends dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay your goofy little self eternally. Whoa, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with